Welcome to Amsterdam, the city that made us fall in love with the Netherlands. Obviously, this isn't our first time in Amsterdam. We're back as locals instead of tourists, and we've got some really cool things lined up today. The unintended theme is lights. We'll be staying on a 70-year-old lightship, and we're going to explore the Amsterdam Light Festival, so let's get going. We're Michelle and Alex. In the summer of 2022, we decided to move from Austin, Texas in the United States to Rotterdam in the Netherlands. Like many people, Amsterdam was the first experience we had in the Netherlands. In fact, it's one of the most touristic cities in the world, higher than Barcelona and Los Angeles. And while we begun exploring a lot more of what the Netherlands has to offer, Amsterdam still has a lot of really great and unique things to experience. So today we're back, this time as residents of the Netherlands to see the Amsterdam Light Festival and stay in another amazing, unique accommodation, a 70-year-old lightship. We love onigiri, and I've been making it at home lately, which it's been pretty good, but for me, it hasn't really scratched that itch. So when we were coming to Amsterdam, we knew that there was an onigiri place here, and we really wanted to try it. We got karage, 2 tuna mayo, because you can't go wrong with that, and a mentaiko, because Alex loves mentaiko. As just a random bonus, we've been to Japan a ton, and we've never ever had this before. We're gonna go for classic tuna mayo. If you watched our 7-Eleven video, you know this one's my favorite. I'm definitely gonna eat some plastic on this. The rice is really good. It's like holding together, but just barely. And the filling to rice ratio is great. Also, the tuna to mayo ratio
That was
is
a lot
great.
of filling, damn.
Yeah, I think you'll really like this because one of your biggest gripes about the 7-Eleven tuna mayo is that there's too much mayo in it. It's a real nice mix.
Mentaiko, by the way, spicy cod roe. This doesn't quite have the same magical unwrapping experience that the 7-Eleven ones do.
I think this is more authentic.
Yeah, this is definitely more authentic.
Whoa.
Whoa. You feel that filling? Not super spicy, but then again, I don't think it's super spicy in Japan either. But it's still really, really good. It's still salty, a little briny, and honestly, the filling to rice ratio is on point here. This is great. No better way to wash it down than with this Kalpis soda. A refreshing blend of sweet and tangy, made with cultured milk. Yogurt soda, let's go. Proust. This tastes like something. I don't know, you gotta try this. It tastes really, really good, but I can't, it tastes like something, I can't place it.
Is it like a lemon head when you've sucked the tart outside?
Yeah, maybe.
When you've gone past?
It is refreshing.
We need to come back to this.
Yeah, it is refreshing.
Yeah, it's really, really good. I'm sad that this is the first time I'm having this.
If you've had Kalpis before, let us know what you think it tastes like in the comments below.
What does it taste like? So we're headed to our next destination, and we got a little high chew to tie us over.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Look, it's some of the famous Dutch tulips.
It's spring.
It's springtime.
Is this what everyone comes to see right here?
Yeah, this
These?
is it. Yep, that's Kuchenhof.
So today we're at KattenKabinet, and it is a museum filled with cat art. So basically it's supposed to represent cats throughout history and the centuries, and they have cats inside, but don't worry, they're very well taken care of, and they have different places to escape to if they become overstimulated from human attention. The very first time we saw this place was actually when we were playing a game of GeoGuessr, and then we came to Amsterdam and we were like, we have to go here, we have to see the cats.
Is he allowed to do that? I love that place.
It's so great. Evidently they have 4 cats, so that means we saw 75% of the cats in the museum.
That's a success to me.
So the museum opened in 1990, and the man who opened it dedicated it to one of his cats that passed away.
Very cute backstory. I think he actually owns the house.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, that would make sense.
Anyway,
Love it.
off to the Airbnb.
I'm excited. Is that where we're staying tonight?
No. That's where we're staying.
No, that's a houseboat. This is our boatel. You not recording still?
Oh, it's because there's a boatel down there.
Hey, this is our boatel. Oh, hello. Welcome to our house ship. Come on in. This place is so cool. The entire living space in here is like enclosed in all of this glass.
So you're not entirely in a cold metal ship.
It's really cold outside this
It's actually
place.
very warm inside here though.
It's cozy because the floors are heated. So when you're walking around in your socks, it feels cozy even though you're in a big metal tube. Before we start with the tour, you might be wondering, as I did, what is a lightship? It's exactly what it sounds like. A lightship is basically a giant ship that has a lighthouse on it, and it would be able to go wherever they actually like needed a lighthouse instead of it being like, just, what do you call it? Like stationary. First up, the bed. I've been informed it's a queen size bed. We've got a couple of nice robes. Next up, the bathroom. These light switches are really interesting too. I like press buttons.
There's a water closet,
Toilet.
toilet paper only.
Complete with a tiny Dutch sink.
The one thing that Dutch people are known for.
They're tiny sinks.
Tiny sinks.
Look how nice this is. This tub is so deep.
That is a deep tub. Wow, that's a really deep tub, damn.
Yeah. It's a soaking tub. Shower. There is no like kitchen or anything like that, but we have this little refreshment area.
The very well equipped minibar.
Yeah. Tea, coffee,
Chocolate
snacks.
and coffee.
Look at all that coffee.
I know. And there's a little minibar too. You have to pay for this stuff though, but the coffee and stuff's free.
And the chips are chilled. We can control all of the lights in the place from our bedside. There's inside, ceiling, and outside lights.
Yeah, the outside lights are these lights on the outside of the room, and I'm really excited to see what these look like at night.
It's gonna look really cool.
Yeah, it's gonna look really cool. Oh my gosh, you guys, we just realized we think the entire minibar is free.
There's like sparkling wine. There's a chocomel. Oh my god.
The Chocomel?
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
Oh, thank god there's a regular Coke in here too.
Oh, Heineken, is that Heineken Zero?
Is it?
I love Heineken Zero. Because I don't drink.
Oh, look. Oh my gosh. Wow. They really thought of everything.
This is why we can't have cable. We took a break in the Airbnb, and we're just sitting here and watching Catfish on TV.
There's only 55 more episodes to go. It's the top 100.
So the Lightship is in the north side of Amsterdam. Most of the stuff in Amsterdam is in the central, I guess the south side.
Yeah.
So kind of a new area for us, walking through, exploring. But we're gonna go to a nearby restaurant for dinner. Again, not Dutch food.
It's pizza.
But apparently it's good pizza. And then after that, go to Light Show.
Yeah.
Lightship, Light Show. All right, let's go.
There's a theme.
This is Il Pecorino, a restaurant on the north side of Amsterdam that actually began its life as an Italian grocery. Now they specialize in pizza made using its wood-fired oven. Michelle ordered the prosciutto crudo pizza with mozzarella, prosciutto, arugula, tomatoes, and grana padano cheese.
Oh man, that crust is really good. It's like, it almost kind of tastes like sourdough.
Oh.
And there's a ton of cheese on it. Like the gooey, like melted cheese is the base layer. And then you get like the bite from the arugula. Cherry tomatoes are super sweet.
I ordered the pepperoni pizza, which is not what you may be thinking. It was a red sauce pizza with tomatoes, mozzarella, peppers, and andouille sausage.
So my bite was like mostly sauce, cheese, peppers, and onions, but that's like one of the best pizzas. If you watch our Domino's video, you know that's like basically our favorite pizza. That spicy sauce though, that really, I think it's andouille. It is andouille.
Yeah, that's exciting.
Ooh.
Food was great.
It was very good.
The people were really nice.
Very nice.
Recommend.
I do recommend, yes. Yeah. We got 2 pizzas. We split them. Hers didn't have tomato sauce on it, and that was the clear winner.
Oh yeah. Look at, what is it? The like Blanca?
I don't know.
section?
I'll put it in the.
Yeah,
put it
whatever
right
that
here.
is, go there. Those are the good
that.
pizzas. All right, I gotta walk all this off.
There is a
I'm so
lot. I'm
full.
very full of pizza.
So let's go.
Let's check out the light show?
Yeah.
Light show. It is literally hailing right now.
No, I think we need to go that way.
Okay.
Sorry.
We're lost and it's hailing.
We're lost in sailing like
It's literally hailing. This is insane. There we go. This hail is not stopping. This is literally insane. Did you choke on some hail? You inhaled it?
I'm getting after one of these warm croissants. Oh,
Yeah, me too.
oh yeah. One thing I really liked about the light show was it goes on way past the holidays. I think one of the things that we felt a lot of pressure to do all of the like Christmassy and holiday things in November and December, and it was great that this goes on until like the 22nd of
Yeah, the
January.
22nd. There's one in, I want to say Eindhoven, that I think looked really, really cool, but it ran until
Is that Glow?
Christmas.
or
Yeah.
whatever? Okay.
So like we weren't able to make it. I think we found out
Yeah.
about it the day before it stopped.
I
So
feel like we missed a lot of stuff, so.
thanks, Amsterdam.
Yeah.
We hope that this video was a unique take on Amsterdam. We feel like so many other people have vlogged all the popular things in Amsterdam. This is not meant to be someone's first video about Amsterdam. There's lots of amazing things in Amsterdam you need to see, from museums, the Anne Frank house. There's Dutch food that we've talked about in the other videos. There's a lot of stuff in Amsterdam to do. So if you're coming to Amsterdam and this is the first video you've ever watched, maybe watch another one from one of the many other vloggers that have experienced it before. What we wanted to do was do something that was more, hey, we live in the Netherlands and there's some unique stuff in Amsterdam that we can't get in Rotterdam. And we've done all that stuff before. And hopefully this, came through to you and was at least an interesting take on a vlog in Amsterdam.
Exactly.
We love staying in the Lightship here. If that's something that you want to do, and when you come to Amsterdam, we'll go ahead and put a link to the booking site in the description.
This place is A+, even before the breakfast.
Yeah.
We want to know, actually, what is your favorite, touristy thing to do in your hometown? Let us know in the
Or your home
comments
country.
below. Oh, your home country.
Because we don't even live in Amsterdam.
Yeah. Let us know in the comments below.
Yeah, but for now, we're going to pack up our stuff and leave the old Lightship and head on back to Rotterdam on a snowy Friday. All right. Thanks for coming along with us. It was a lot of fun.
Yeah, I really enjoyed this.
Yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Bye. Dewey.
Dewey.
The Dewey.
Yeah, it's like, bye-bye.